and the AC feels great in here. Let me tell you, it is hot out there for October. I mean, in the sun, working all day, I'm absolutely soaked, just sweating through my clothes. But thank you again. You know, I really appreciate it. Uh, I'll go ahead and my shirt. Yeah, I mean it's pretty sweaty, but you know it kind of comes with the territory. I'm pretty used to it. Uh, you want to wash it for me? All right. I mean I'm not too sure if that'll work, but I mean I appreciate the offer, and I do got a little bit of break left, so I mean one shirt, what? Just a few minutes, right? Let me get this off for you. Uh, I mean, yeah, I actually really appreciate it because I kind of stink right now. So, put this. Uh, okay. Well, here you go. Thank you. Um, Technically, I gotta put this vest back on. It kind of getting hard to get on. Used to fit me like normal, but I put on a few pounds since I started working this job. You know, all those after work beers and wings at the bar of the guys. I guess it's caught up to me a little bit, and they won't let me trade in the old vest. It used to fit me. You don't want to hear about that. I'm sorry.